Hey guys, so I'll try that again, shall we? I ain't long been up. It's actually 10:41. I've been awake for a while, but not enough to get up. I was awake and ready, raring to go at 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm like, no, go back to bed. And then I woke up and I feel worse. Logic in that. Anyway, so I've been working on that top still. It's almost finished. I've woven some ends, but I've still got a bunch more ends to go. Swapping about between finishing off the finishing touches and doing the ends so I don't get bored. So I have one armhole already done around. It still needs its end woven, but the other armhole still has its loose ends and thing to do. Right. So the shoulders are seamed up, but I haven't gone around the neck hole for 2 rounds yet, so I will do 2 rounds around the neck hole. But once I've done that armhole and the neck hole, it is finished. It's just finishing on doing the ends. There's still some ends inside there somewhere, but it's getting there, so it's almost finished. So hopefully later today I'll be able to show you it on a mannequin so you can see what it looks like. This one won't fit me, I don't think, because I've done it basically the same size as my original one, but it's got a little more give because it's done in the round instead of seamed up, so I haven't took a couple of stitches at the ends away. But I still don't think it quite fit me. I think I'd need to go up bigger, so I'll do a bigger size at some point because I really like it and I want one for myself. But I'm quite happy with it. I think it's really nice. So once I've got this one finished, I will start on the cross one. So this one, I never got around to putting the straps on this one, but I will when I make it properly. So I'll be doing that one next. And again, I'm going to do the colour version, which I know I've already said to you guys, but what I'm going to do is swap it around so the whites become the colours and the colours become the whites, so I can see how it looks that way around as well. So yeah, that's about it. I did have a practice with some of my buttons, but we've decided paper that I was using, we have, just cheap basic printer paper because it only uses print out patterns and things. I don't need anything special, but it's not quite good enough for the badges. It's leaving a grainy look, so I am waiting for some new paper that I've ordered, which is smoother and cleaner and a bit thicker, and that should hopefully make the badges look better. So once I've done that, I can start printing out and making more badges, because I don't want to hand draw every single badge. It'd be easier if I draw the item I want on the badge once and then print out multiple copies of it. But I'm quite happy with the test ones. If you've been on my Instagram feed and my Facebook, you would have seen the test ones. I've left them over there, so I'm not going to show you. I might show you them later to you. But the new paper won't arrive until tomorrow, I think it was. So I can't start printing any out until at least then. But on the good news, my World of War yarn and dye is arriving today. So I will do an unboxing of that. And then at some point I will start trying to dye my own yarn. But at the moment we need to get the garage area where I'm going to do it sorted, which it has a sink and everything in it. That's what I'm doing in there, and so that way it's nowhere near the food sink. But also because the dyes are a powder, you really need a mask, and obviously right now you can't get masks. They're gold dust because everyone's quite rightly using them to go out and about with instead. So don't know when I can start playing with the dyes. I'll just have to wait and see. But that's about it. So I'm going to get on with this, and hopefully I will check in with you all later. You'll take care. Bye. Hey guys, I'm holding you on the tripod, so we're probably going to be wobbly. It's because in a minute I'm going to turn the camera around. I finished the top. I've spent all day weaving in ends. I really love the colour, and weaving in the ends is worth it for the finished piece, but I forgot how much I hate weaving in ends. So that's the only thing I've got done today is doing this top, but it is done, and it's time to move on to the other top that has the cross pattern on it. So I will just turn the camera around and show you what I've done. So here we go, the top is finished. So as you can see, it is shaped down and around here. On the previous version I kept the back straight, but I've actually babes, can you turn the thing around for me? I've done the same shaping on the back. I'm going to turn it around for us, save me trying to do it one-armed. So as you see, it's the same sort of shaping, just to bring it down, because before it went straight across up here, and I thought it might be comfier to have it down there. So the front and back are the same, so it's actually reversible. There's no right way and wrong way to wear it, front or back. Could you just turn the sides? Thank you, darling. And then I think this looks much better. It doesn't have the unsightly seam down. Obviously you can tell this side a little, it's got the chain ups. The other side's even better, I'll turn it around in a second. But this is the sleeves, so nice little short sleeves. But it stretches over nicely. There you go, so that side, there's no chains up, so it all just fits in nicely. Now this hasn't been washed and had any final blocking yet, but this is on a size 16. Can you turn it back to the front? Thank you, darling. So I think it fits the 16 really quite nicely. It's not stretched or anything, there's plenty of give left in it, but I think for the style I want, a 16 is probably the sort of size this will be, which means taking it from the seam to in the round actually took it up a dress size, which is quite nice because the last one was more of a 14 for sure. But I'm really impressed with it, I'm really loving it, so I'm going to start on the next one. So I'll see you all later. Bye! Hi guys, so I've just filmed the unboxing for my yarn dyeing kit, which I didn't look at before I opened it. I really should have, because they've sent me the wrong stuff. The 2 yarns are correct, the 2 cones of yarn that I got are exactly what I ordered, but the dyeing kit they've sent me is one that's for $18.99. I paid for the one that was $39.99. I'm supposed to have 13 dyes and instead I've got 3. So I've had to email them, but they're closed on Saturdays and Sundays, which means they're not going to read my email until Monday, so who knows when I'm going to get the correct dyeing kit that I ordered. This is the first time I've used this company, and quite right now they're not looking very good, and that's where I was planning on keeping buying my yarn from, so I might have to rethink it. Quite pissed off, to be honest. I was really looking forward to all those yarns. I am still going to put the unboxing of it up, so you can see at least the yarns I got, and you can see the kit they sent me that I'm not supposed to have. That'll go up tomorrow. This vlog's going up today, which is 29th, Friday the 29th of May. Wow. Yeah, so hopefully Monday or Tuesday I'll have some news to what they're going to do about this kit. I'm kind of hoping that they realise they messed up badly, they send me the other one and they don't expect me to send that one back, because obviously I don't go out anywhere at the moment, and it's a biggish box, so it's not going to be that cheap to send back. It's their mistake, so they have to pay for it, but I might have to pay for it first and then claim the money back, I don't know. So I'm hoping they'll just say, yeah, keep it, because I don't know, we're just going to have to wait and see, but I want what I paid for. That's a hell of a price difference and a hell of a lot less products, so really not happy right now, which is a shame because I was really looking forward to playing with my dye kits, but oh well. I'm just going to sit here and fold some more Lucky Stars because I kind of crocheted out after sewing up all those ends in that top, so I'm going to take a break from crochet for the rest of the evening, and then probably tomorrow I will start looking for yarn to do the cross top. But I'm going to end the vlog here for the night. It's only 12 minutes past 7, but I've done a bit of tidying and packing away my badge kits in the craft room, and I still need to do more in there to fit it all in, so it's kind of worn me out. So I'm just going to rest for the rest of the day. But I have had an order for 2 happy 60th birthday badges from my mum for her and her mate, so I will probably film them when the new paper arrives, so that we can see how the badge maker works, and it'll be quite fun. But otherwise, that's going to be it. So I'm going to go, and I will see you all tomorrow, probably. You take care. Bye!